Solving more quadratic equations. Solve for x in the following equation. Number 1, although it's one term on the left-hand side, it's not equal to 0, so therefore it's not in standard form, so we're going to have to expand the brackets. So we're going to have 6x squared plus x, taking over the 2, negative 2 equals to 0. This is standard form, however, it's seen as a complicated trinomial because of the 6 in front of the x squared. So we're now going to focus on the right side of the screen to solve it. Step 1 would be to take term 1 and times it by term 3. In this case, it's 12. We're going to take the factors of 12, which is 2 and 6, 3 and 4. We're going to subtract it to get 1 as our answer because of the middle term. Negative 2 plus 6 is equal to 4, which is not the correct combination. Negative 3 plus 4 is equal to 1. That is the correct combination. We're going to take that and replace the factors in the second term. So you'll see that it's 6x squared minus 3x plus 4 minus 2 equals to 0. So now we're going to use grouping as a type of factorization. If we take out a 3x from term 1 and 2, we'll have in our brackets 2x minus 1. And then we're going to manipulate term 3 and 4 by taking out a 2, so that we again have in our bracket 2x minus 1. Then we're going to take out a common bracket of 2x minus 1. And then the other bracket is going to be 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Our final answer after we separate the brackets and equate them to 0 would be x is equal to negative 2 over 3 or x is equal to 1 over 2. Number 2, 5 bracket x plus 1 is equal to x bracket x plus 2, close the bracket. In this case, we don't have it in standard form, so we're going to have to expand the brackets. We'll have 5x plus 5 is equal to x squared plus 2x. If we take every term onto one side, we'll have x squared minus 3x minus 5 equal to 0, which is in standard form. However, in this case, the factors of 5 will not give us 3 in any combination, so we're going to have to use the quadratic formula. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 3, and c is equal to negative 5. Using the quadratic formula, we're going to substitute in those values. And then we'll have our answer of x is equal to 4,19 or x is equal to negative 1,19. Number 3. X minus 2 in bracket x plus 4 in bracket equals to 7. Again, although it's one term on the left hand side, it's not equal to 0. So we again have to expand the brackets. So we'll have x squared plus 2x minus 8. Taking over the 7, we'll have negative 7 equal to 0. X squared plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. Factorize it. X plus 5, x minus 3 is equal to 0. Expand the bracket. Your answer would be x is equal to negative 5 or x is equal to 3. Number 4. Here it's not in standard form, so we're going to have to expand each bracket. So we'll have 2x squared plus x minus 1 minus x squared plus 2x plus 2x minus 2, which I got from the right hand side, equal to 0. Simplify, we'll have x squared plus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. Again, if we take the factors of 3, there's no combination that will give us 5, so we're going to have to use the quadratic formula. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to negative 3. Substitute into the quadratic formula. Using our calculator, we'll get the answers of x is equal to 0,54 or x is equal to negative 5,54. And that is the end of solving more quadratic equations.